skilled trades and construction and maintenance. Why do you want to take classes here at Wake Tech? Well, you can effectively leverage your skilled trade certifications for high demand construction trade jobs. Uh, Classes or programs here that range from $1 to $50. We have hands-on trainings preparing for the real world. Learn how our training options of services.
Larry, this is Mike. You are muted. I think you're coming through on Maria's microphone.
Oh,
Right.
Hello, can you hear me now?
There we go.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, let me just kind of go back to about skilled trades and construction and maintenance. Our classes are, you can effectively leverage your skilled trades certifications for high demand construction trade jobs. We have skilled trade classes and programs that range from 1 month to 6 months. Our classes get you the hands-on training to prepare you for the real world. And you can learn how our training options and support services can make your education both accessible and affordable. We offer a variety of courses in Spanish for those looking to learn a new trade or to improve their skills, job skills. Most of our classes are located here at the Beltline Education Center. This is where we are housed, our skilled trades lab. We've got a video here of a gentleman that took our CAMT class and would like to share his experience. So I'll like to play this video for you.
As an end user, we can't hear the audio of the video.
Correct. Larry, you probably have to go in and select, when you present, there's an option to have audio. Under the share button, you should have an option to share audio as the top option.
Includes sound. Sure, it's okay. It's
Don't worry, we got you there too. Have you heard about WakeWorks? It's one of the newest programs offered here, and it offers 2 amazing opportunities. WakeWorks Propel, which gives you training.
I'm going to play this video over. I think we had some technical difficulties.
Welcome to Wake Tech, where short-term workforce continuing education could be your ticket to a great job. Hi, my name is Andrew Mordiff, and 2.5 years ago, I was working at a grocery store for less than $10 an hour. Then I joined a Wake Tech continuing education workforce program. And after 16 weeks of dedicated studying and work and great teaching experience, I landed a job with Drucker and Falk as an apartment maintenance technician. I went from less than $10 an hour to $15 an hour. And it has been a great experience ever since. And I owe it all to this great Wake Tech program that offers hundreds of different paths forward and skills and hands-on experience that will give you a leg up on the competition, paths forward to degrees, and so much more. And all it is doing is waiting for you to hop on board. Wow, Wake Tech Workforce Continuing Education offers all of that and more. And if you're underemployed or unemployed right now, you don't need to worry because Wake Tech offers scholarships that could offer coverage for part or even all of the cost. So don't worry, we got you there too. Have you heard about WakeWorks? It's one of the newest programs offered here, and it offers two amazing opportunities. WakeWorks Propel, which gives you training in 20 high-demand job opportunities. And then there's WakeWorks Apprenticeship, which gives you on-the-job training with various companies who will pay you while you learn. It's an amazing opportunity. I think the future looks pretty bright. Wake Tech's workforce continuing education programs can prepare you in 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, or even 3 months, or possibly even less, depending on your chosen program, on campus or online. Take your pick. You'll meet people, make connections, and learn all the skills you need for success. We also offer an option that is for the plus 50 crowd that gives retirement planning, job search skills for a career move, and even personal interest courses. Everybody needs to remember it is never too late to start building a better future. The Wake Tech Workforce Continuing Education program changed my life for the better. In addition to giving me a living wage, it boosted my confidence, helped me get my job with Drucker and Falk, and made me feel like I have a future I can be proud of. So get started today. Find the program you're interested in and hop on board. It's waiting for you. What are you waiting for?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Obregon, and I'm coordinator of construction and maintenance. As the video stated, we have skilled trades classes under 1 month or less. For instance, we have EPA refrigerant recovery. This course is 18 hours and prepares you to take the Section 608 EPA certification. We have building, plumbing, and electrical, mechanical standard inspection, under code inspection. This course is 32 hours and is code enforcement for code enforcement officials. We have blueprint reading 24 hours course that will prepare the students to demonstrate and understand terminology and symbol recognition for construction projects. We offer OSHA 10 that provides entry-level construction workers learn how to recognize and prevent hazards on construction site. We also have courses under 3 months or less. Under these courses, we have construction project management, which is a 115 hours course that provides instruction and project management for the construction trades. We have welding practical, which is 96-hour course, which introduces the principles and practice of welding with an emphasis on processes and hazards such as burns, dust, and noise. And this is for code enforcement officials as well. We have heat pumps, operation installation and service class. This class is offered in English and Spanish. This specific class is the second part of the HVAC class. This is a 96 hours course and it's designed for students to learn components, heat pump cycle, service, theory, control, troubleshooting, and interpret heat pump systematics. We have the general contractor's exam preparation. It's a 40 hours course that prepares the student for success in the NASCA accredited examination for commercial general buildings contractors. We have electrical contractors exam preparation, which is a 36 hours course that prepares the student for all classification of the North Carolina Electrical Contractors exam. We have Carpentry 1 and Carpentry 2, which is 96 hours course that covers learn the basics on the Carpentry 1 of framing and building a small project. On the Carpentry 2, it covers the advanced theory and construction methods associated with the building industry, including interior finishes, pre-finish, flooring, and installation of drywall. Under 6 months or less courses, we have the heating and air conditioning class. We offer it in English and Spanish. This course is a 100 hours course, which the students learn the heating and air conditioning equipment and components. They learn condensers, evaporators, compressors, metering devices, refrigerant, and electrical and mechanical circuits. OSHA course provides entry-level construction workers. The workers learn how to recognize and prevent hazards on a construction site. We have Certified Apartment Maintenance Technician, which is a 160-hour course that prepares the student in entry-level employment in maintenance field. We also, that specific class, the CAMT, has 4 different training, which is the plumbing, which is the electrical wiring, which is the heating and air conditioning, and also maintenance or in repairs of all refrigerators, microwaves, and stoves. And we also have electrical wiring residential, English and Spanish. This is a 100-hour course that provides the knowledge and skills for becoming an electrician or pursuing other careers in the hands-on instruction in standardized wiring techniques. We also have electrical wiring commercial, also in English and Spanish. This is a 96-hour course with hands-on instruction in standardized wiring techniques, methods, and material with instructor supervising in a lab equipment to simulate real conditions.
With a lot of our skilled trades, we do have credentials that go with those particular classes and programs. For example, our Certified Apartment Maintenance Training Program has credentials in the National Apartment Association. We also have a Carpentry 1 and 2 with the Home Builders Institute, along with electrical wiring in Spanish. Our electrical contractor exam prep, we do have credentials by the State Board of Examiners of Electrical Contractors, EPA for their heating and air and the HVAC. Also, we have NC Code Official Qualification Board for all the building, electrical, mechanical, and plumbing, and law and administration inspection standards. The Certified Apartment Maintenance Tech Program is started this spring. That class is offered every spring and every fall. Fall classes will start around August. This class is going to prepare you for entry-level employment and maintenance in a multifamily apartment housing industry. The course covers the inside of the business as well as interior, exterior maintenance, electrical systems, plumbing, HVAC, and appliance maintenance and repair. So in this particular class, you get to do a little bit of everything. You'll do a little bit of painting, a little bit of drywall, a little bit of electrical, HVAC, plumbing. It's hands-on lecture and demonstrations. Our CAMT lab is located here at the Beltline Education Center. The tuition includes textbooks and the exam fee. Upon completion, you'll have met the requirements to take the certificate for the apartment maintenance tech, and the prereq is a GED or high school diploma or CRC bronze level or above. We also have our WakeWorks apprenticeship and skilled trades. That's a partnership between Wake Tech and Wake County to address the shortage of technical workers in the region. Apprentices can get, on-the-job training with local employers while getting, learning and earning in the field. One of the first classes that you take when you start the apprenticeship program is CORE, which is a basic construction class. You'll learn the basic construction, and you also obtain a CPR, first aid certification. You'll get an OSHA 10 certification. After you complete that, you'll get a CORE from the National Center of Construction Education and Research. Then you'll be able to determine like what path you would go on and which trade area. If you want to go into electrical, HVAC, carpentry. Once you complete your level 1 trade, then you will be invited to a hiring event. Once you're hired by one of our business partners, then you're technically, you start the apprenticeship journey where you're earning and learning, and you're also provided with a toolkit once you're hired. After you complete levels 1 through 4, then you are on course to receive your journeyman's license certification. Paying for college. Well, we have a lot of programs here at the college to help you. We have our Propel program, which is the Workforce Continuing Education program that provides scholarships that cover cost of registration, fees, books, supplies, credentials, exams for non-degree workforce training courses. There's scholarships available, and there's different types of financial aid to help students here at Wake Tech. There's different grants that are provided, federal and different state grants, and our financial aid office can definitely point you in the right direction. Also, there's also private loans that can help you to pay for your college endeavors. Support services are very important here at the college. We have a very unique tutoring and learning center that offers free tutoring services both in person and online. We also have a great care center when life's challenging, threaten to derail your academic endeavors. Wake Tech's Care Center can help you provide the resources and guidance for you to stay back on track. We have a disability support services and career services to help you along your way with anything from interview skills to resume writing. Also with that, the career services, there's career coaching to help you along your path with drop-in labs, and there are locations for these at just about all of our campuses: Beltline Education Center, the Scott Northern Wake Campus, the Southern Wake Campus, RTP Campus, the Perry Health Science Campus, and Public Safety Campus. There's 3 ways to register for our classes. You can register online. You can just go to workforce.waketech.edu. You can register in person or by mail. Does anyone have any questions?
Larry, you have some questions in the chat.
Okey-doke.
¿Podrían colocar la lámina anterior, por favor?
Go back 1 slide.
You can share that one. Someone asked, how do they get registered in the apprenticeship program? Larry,
For the career services,
for the apprenticeship program.
for the apprenticeship program, what you'll do is you'll submit, you'll go online. Actually, let me put a link in there
I'll take care
for
of it.
you. You'll just complete an interest form and someone would be in contact with you.
I've added the link, Larry. You're all set.
Okay, thank you. So when I mentioned, I know they said the course has a cost for those who are in ESL. Well, again, too, we have Propel. There's a lot of financial aid that's available. So when you register, you also want to take a look at what are take a look at some of the links through Propel that's on our website and find out what you might be able to qualify for.
Larry, you've changed screen. Okay. You have a question, Weifang?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. My question is, could you introduce some difference between the program? Let me find the program. Heating and air conditioning, HVAC, and certified apartment maintenance technician training, CAMT. What is difference between? Because I noticed in the CAMT program, it is or it already including some HVAC maintenance. So what different between?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great question. The Certified Apartment Maintenance Tech program, kind of consider that you're going to do some HVAC, but you're not going to go all in depth like you would like in the heating and air conditioning program. That's strict, like the heating and air would be completely that's like one class where you're going more in depth, like introduction to HVAC, you're doing basic electricity, you're going into cooling, heating, air distribution, introduction to heat pumps, refrigerant, EPA tests. Whereas when you're in the certified apartment maintenance tech, you're not going all in that depth of that. You're talking about just understanding roles and responsibilities and maintaining heating systems or like cooling systems, but you're not going all in depth.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, may I have a following questions?
Sure.
What is the registration time frame? When can I register this program in spring?
For the CAMT,
Yeah, KMT.
our next CAMT will be coming up here. I think our next one's coming in September and August.
Oh, September, August.
And
How about
August
the
August the 15th.
August 15th? Oh, okay. How about the heating and the air conditioning?
The air conditioning, we've got one scheduled for July, but we're trying to get one worked in between May and June.
Oh, okay. It's a little bit earlier. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And just
Thank
you want to check back out our schedule because we're adding classes all the time. One of the newest classes that we just added here recently is the fundamentals of paint and drywall. For anyone that's looking to, like, if you're a homeowner or you're looking to get into the trade, that starts on May the 6th. That's a new class. We've had a lot of interest in that.
Good to know. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. great.
Mhm.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey, question about the electrical apprenticeship.
Yes.
I will be interested in joining one of them as long as I achieve the actual requirements, right? But I finished my high school in Mexico. I started a career over there, but I didn't finish. So how can I apply for that apprenticeship? I've been looking at some of those requirements, and they ask for the high school diploma or
Mhm.
GED equivalent. But I mean, I don't know how to explain, but I want to actually join to there. Or what should I do before actually getting to the apprenticeship program?
Well, probably what I would do is just start with going to the link, the apprenticeship link that's in the chat, and then just complete a an interest form that you're interested, and then they'll reach out to you and contact you, and then you could just follow up with them of like what is needed for the program.
Okay. And another thing, well, I just forgot. But no, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, absolutely.
Excuse me, the link that is shared about the apprenticeship program doesn't have anything about an interest form. It just has a email address and phone number to contact.
At this point, I would go ahead and send an email message to them or go ahead and reach out by phone.
Thank you.
I do have a question as well about class times. I know that we probably all have some sort of job or something like that,
Yes.
prior obligation. I was just wondering if you would be able to complete an entire program after hours, or if you would have to take some daytime classes, especially for something like carpentry, which is very hands-on. I know you have to be there in person. How would that look?
What is so unique about our classes is, yes, we kind of cater to the working adult. So a lot of our classes and programs are in the evening. They're on the weekends. So yeah, most of our classes start like at 6 p.m.
Wonderful, thank you. And if we were to take those class, could we fast track it if we took day classes? Or is that not a possibility?
Like you're saying, like maybe in carpentry or
Yes.
for right now, well, that would be like if you're taking a workforce continuing ed class. We don't offer that during the day as of right now.
Okay.
But once we start to build the programs, yes, you could, if you wanted to switch and take the daytime, yeah, and kind of fast track, that would be an option. Absolutely.
Okay, wonderful, thank you.
Hmm.
May I have a question?
Sure.
Yeah, could you share this informative presentation with us? So I think a lot of useful information here.
Oh, absolutely.
How could you share? Can I just leave my email address?
Yeah, you would give me your email address. I can share it with you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Answer.
I have a question about apprenticeship. Can people without prior experience join? For example, if I'm interested in the HVAC, I don't have any experience in HVAC prior to that. Do we need entry-level experience, or can we just start from scratch to join one of these apprenticeship?
Yeah, you can start from scratch from any of our classes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
I have a question. Is there any way that you could send this this whole meeting to my email too as well?
Yeah,
I could go.
absolutely.
Okay, Kai, I just put my email in the chat box.
Yep. I'll send it to
Okay.
you.
All right, thank you.
Can I get it too?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Is everybody excited about skill trades? You want to get into the construction field, do some electrical, HVAC?
Honestly, I'm excited about it all because I mean, it's the first time I actually seen a program that's actually offering so much and not actually looking to get money, a whole bunch of money out of us.
Yeah. Absolutely. And it's like there's so many unique opportunities around here in Wake County. And just, things that we're working on is a couple of things like trying to have more career fairs to get our business owners, employee partners to come to more classes to hire our students. That's always the one thing is taking classes, but the one thing is like trying to get hired. So that's one thing we're definitely looking into is having more career fairs where we can get students hired. That's definitely in the radar. Increasing that, definitely increasing our apprenticeship pool with our business partners. Working to increase the number of classes that we have. And I just want to mention about like the carpentry lab, we're trying to increase our daytime offerings as well. We do really good offering evening and weekends, but we do see a need and we're trying to offer daytime programs as well too. But the construction field is really hot right now.
Hi, I have a question.
Sure.
Is this associated with the HOPE program?
No, Hope Renovation is a partner with us. They basically they use our space here at the Beltline Education Center.
Oh, okay, so if because I previously did a Zoom with them a couple weeks back,
Yeah.
and I was trying to see if they were like the same thing, your program and their program, or or which one.
Well, yeah, they offer the NCCER course. So if you're looking to go into the apprenticeship program, since you have core, you'll have like that basic construction class. So again, I would follow up in an email to our apprenticeship WakeWorks apprenticeship program and inquire that you're interested and have them to reach out to you. Then you'll be able to talk to the career navigator and then let them know about you already have the basic construction class.
Okay, I'll do that now. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Any more questions?
I know you said that the construction field is hot right now. Do you have any metrics of employment percentage after completing a certification with you guys, or possible projected income, anything like that, anywhere on your website, just to, plan for the future for what to look at?
We do on the curriculum side, we do.
Perfect, thank you. And we can get that information by doing like a career coaching situation?
Yeah, you should be able to find that too.
Perfect,
Yeah.
thank you.
I have one more question for the
Sure.
Allied Health. For the Allied Health one, were you guys speaking on that one too, or was it a different set of people? Because I had signed up for the Allied Health and Skilled Trades, but I had missed that one because I was at the campus. So I was wondering if I could get an email of that one too. But or if you weren't the instructors, then that's fine.
No, we're just doing the skilled trades.
Okay. Thank you. That's all I needed.
Absolutely, yep.
If you put your email in the chat, I can make sure that you get a link to that video as well, the Allied Health one. And all of the videos from these sessions will be made available later this week on our YouTube. So just keep a watch out for that. But I can make sure that you get that video.
Okay, thank you. I have put my email in there already. All right.
Okay, great.